Hello everyone, welcome to Max class. In this session we are going to learn the topic multiplication fact casting out 9 method. See the first sum 327 into 42 is equal to 13,734. Now write this value 327 into 42 is equal to 13,734. Now we can check the sum by casting out 9s. See the first value 7 plus 2 9. 7 plus 2 9. So now cancel these two numbers. 7 plus 2 9. So remaining value is 3. The remaining value is 3 and then into, see this value 42. In this term there are no casting out 9 values. So write this value in the addition form. 4 plus 2 equal to, again write this 13,334 in this value, write the expand form. 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4. So what is the next step? Now write this value 3 into 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 7 11. 11 plus 3 14. 14 plus 4 18. 1 8 18. So next step. See the next step. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 is equal to 18. Now again write the expand form in addition method. 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 8. So what is the next step? Again add this two values. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 and then 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So what is the answer? 9 is equal to 9. It's a both side are equal values. Both side, left side and right side, both side are equal values. So it is the casting out of multiplication fact. So it is a multiplication fact. So this is the answer. Now see the second question. 312 into 36 is equal to 11,232. Now check the sum of casting out 9. See this second value 36. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So now cancel this two term and then see this right side. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So now cancel this all term. So what is the remaining value? So 0 and then 0. Now write the next step. Write this term in expand form. 3 plus 1 plus 2 into, what is the remaining value? 0. 0 is equal to, now what is the remaining value of right side? 0. And add this three values. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. So what is the next step? 6 into 0 is equal to 0. 6 into 0 also 0. So is equal to 0. So what is the answer? 0 is equal to 0. So both sides are equal. Left side and then right side. So both sides are equal. So it is the casting out of the multiplication fact. So it is a multiplication fact. See the third question. 723 into 24 is equal to 17,508. Now check this sum of cost 9 value. First of all, write this value 723 into 24 is equal to 17,508. Check the costing out of 9 value. 7 plus 2, 9. So now cancel this 2 term. What is the remaining term? 3 into 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to, write the expand form in this above value. First check this costing out method. 8 plus 1, 9. So now cancel this 2 term. So what is the remaining value? 7 plus 5 plus 0. And write the next step. 3 into 2 plus 4, 6 is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 0, 12. And the next one, 3 6 are 18. 18 is equal to 12. Again, write this expand form. 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So what is the value? 9 is equal to 3. So both sides are not equal. Both sides are not equal. So it is the not multiplication fact. It's a not multiplication fact. Now see the fourth question. 132 into 43 is equal to 5,676. Write this value. 132 into 43 is equal to 5,676. Now check the sum by costing out 9. There are no costing out value. So write this expand form. 1 plus 3 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. The next step is add this all term. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6 into 4 plus 3, 7 is equal to 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. So next one, 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42 is equal to 24. Now write the expand form. 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. So what is the answer? 6 is equal to 6. The both sides are equal. Okay. So it is the multiplication fact of the casting out 9 method. It is a multiplication fact. Okay children, I hope you all are understood this topic. Thank you.